How can I maintain a healthy weight as a 21-year-old girl?
Hello and welcome to this guide on maintaining a healthy weight. In this video, we'll be exploring practical steps that you, as a 21-year-old girl, can take to ensure you stay healthy and maintain a weight that's right for you. The journey to health and fitness is a lifelong commitment, and it's all about finding what works best for you.
What is a healthy weight?
A healthy weight varies from person to person, and it depends on several factors such as your height, bone density, muscle fat ratio, and more. It's not simply about the number on the scale. What's important is to maintain a weight where you feel healthy, energetic, and free of any weight-related health issues.
Balanced diet. What should I eat?
A well-balanced diet is the cornerstone of a healthy weight. This means eating a variety of foods from all the food groups, including vegetables, fruits, proteins, and whole grains. Limit your intake of processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. But remember, it's not about depriving yourself of the foods you love, but rather making healthier choices most of the time.
How much exercise do I need?
Physical activity is another key aspect of maintaining a healthy weight. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity physical activity each week. This could be anything from brisk walking, to cycling, to dancing. Also, include strength training exercises at least 2 days a week. Remember to pick an activity you enjoy, that way you're more likely to stick with it.
How important is sleep?
Sleep often gets overlooked when talking about weight maintenance. But in reality, getting enough high-quality sleep is crucial. Lack of sleep can throw your hunger hormones out of balance, leading to overeating. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Good sleep is just as important as nutrition and exercise.
Mindful eating and mental health.
Practicing mindful eating can help you tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues. This helps prevent overeating. Pay attention to what you're eating and savor each bite. Also, maintaining good mental health is essential. Stress, anxiety, and depression can all affect eating behaviors. Seek help if needed and find healthy ways to manage stress. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't about following a strict diet or exercise plan. It's about adopting healthy habits that you can sustain in the long run. Remember, it's your journey and it's about progress, not perfection. Hope this video has been helpful. Stay healthy and happy.